Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be cloning some rosemary. We will be putting this rosemary plant in the ground this year around some of our fruit trees and potting up several babies from this so we can add them to other areas in the garden. I want to do some fruit guilds, and rosemary is a wonderful plant to help keep pests away from some of our fruit trees. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I clone my rosemary. Come along with it. We have a humidity dome on the rosemary starts. We stuck them on our shelf. They will sit here for several more weeks until we start seeing roots popping out of the bottom of that tray, and then we will pot them into probably a 1-gallon pot to where they will live out their life until the next spring. So next spring we'll plant them into the ground. So this is kind of a process. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and we will see you guys in the next video. Have a great week. Bye now.